Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we are going to do mind map on class 4. This is assignment 7. When we talk about mind map, you should understand that this is a summary of the lesson. This is the whole summary of the complete lesson. So when you can do the mind map when you thoroughly understand the lesson and the concept. You can blindly, you can just make your own mind mapping skills, and you can say that these are the topics, these are the content we have learned in this particular lesson. So what we are going to do, we just read again, we are going to recapitulate again all the topics in a summarized manner. So what is a summarized manner? With the block diagram, you can call it as a mind map also. So what is this you need to do? What is this lesson is all about? India. So what we learn in India, we learn about political division, we learn about physical division or physical features, and we learn about the different seasons, right? So shall we write that? So what we learn here, political division, physical features and seasons. So shall we write here? Political division, physical feature, political division, physical feature and seasons. This you have learned in this lesson. What you learn? Political division, physical feature and season. Under political division, we have 28 states and 8 union territories, right? So what you are going to write under political division? You are going to write 28 states and 8 union territories. 8 union territories. Under political division, you are going to write 28 states and 8 union territories. Coming to physical features, we have 5 physical features in India. What you have learned actually in the lesson, you have learned about mountain ranges or Himalaya ranges, you can think about, or you have learned about fertile plains. You have learned about Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert. Thar Desert is also called as Great Indian Desert. And you have learned about the coastal plains and the coastal islands. You have the islands, right? Coastal plains and islands. And the 5th one, you learn about the plateau, the southern plateau region. These are the 5 physical division you have learned under physical features. Shall we write? The first one, the mountain ranges. Mountain ranges. You can write mountain ranges or Himalaya ranges, your wish. Next one, the fertile plain. The fertile plain. Mountain ranges. After mountain, next is fertile plain. Then comes the Great Indian Desert. The Great Indian Desert. What is in the Great Indian Desert? It's Thar Desert, right? Where is Thar Desert? It is in Rajasthan. Next is the mountain ranges, the fertile plains, the Great Indian Desert, and the 4th one is the coastal plains and island. The coastal plains and island. The coastal plains and island. And what's the last one? Southern plateau. Southern plateau. So what is southern plateau? All the peninsular regions comes there, no? Southern plateau. Southern plateau. Okay. So mountain ranges, the fertile plains, the Great Indian Desert, the coastal plains and island, southern plateau region. These are the 5 physical features you have learned in this lesson. Okay. Coming to the seasons, you have winter season, you have summer season and monsoon season, right? So winter, summer and monsoon. Okay. So what you learn in this lesson, you learn about political division, the new political division. You have 28 states and 8 union territories. Under physical division, you have learned the mountain ranges, the fertile plains, the Great Indian Desert, the coastal plains and the islands. We have 2 islands. What are the 2 islands? Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep. And you learn about the southern plateau region. Plateau regions is always blessed with lot and mineral deposits. Coming to the plains, we have in the northern plains, you have in the coastal plains also, right? So both are blessed with the alluvial soil. So all these physical divisions are very important for functioning a particular state or a country. Coming to the seasons, we experience 3 seasons: winter, summer as well as the monsoon. This is what you learn in this lesson. I hope by doing this mapping skills and the block diagram, you're thorough with the lesson, children. Read your lesson again and again, and make a habit of reading your textbook, children. Thank you. Thanks a lot.